What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today, it's all about the VexlTech StudioDock Pro, a magnetic all-in-one display that finally gives the Mac Mini the stage it deserves. This setup blends the power of a desktop with the neatness of an iMac, built for creators who value clarity, simplicity, and a clean workspace. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only because I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 no. Oh, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up. Oh, go on and light me up while we're golden.
Everything begins with design, where simplicity meets purpose. The magnetic snap-on system turns the Mac Mini into an all-in-one in seconds. A gentle click locks everything into place, eliminating loose wears or awkward stands. The whole structure feels intentional. The tilt-adjustable stand moves smoothly and supports 90-degree rotation in both horizontal and vertical directions, staying comfortable through long work sessions or relaxed viewing. Compact yet balanced, it occupies less space and blends naturally with Apple hardware. Even cable routing feels planned out, hiding clutter and keeping the desk clean. It is minimalism that works, not minimalism that only looks minimal. That clean structure leads straight to the display, a panel that surprises with its clarity and brightness. It's about 15% brighter than typical monitors, yet the luminance feels controlled rather than harsh. Resolution reaches 5120 by 2880, that is 5K, with color coverage rated at 100% sRGB, 99% DCI-P3, bringing sharp detail and vivid but natural tones. The panel uses AG, AR, and AF treatment, anti-glare, anti-reflection, and anti-fingerprint, and is built on a Nano IPS module, delivering a clean, consistent viewing experience. These coatings help keep focus on what's on screen rather than what's around it. Even after hours, the eyes stay relaxed thanks to balanced contrast and precise pixels. Whether editing or simply watching, the picture stays true to life, never overly saturated. It's a screen that doesn't demand attention, it quietly elevates the entire workspace. Next comes functionality, the part that makes the desk feel flexible. StudioDock Pro integrates multiple ports directly into the frame, including USB-A, USB-C, auxiliary, and others, keeping everything plug and play without additional adapters. Both USB-A and USB-C run on the USB 3.2 standard, making data transfers smooth for keyboards, tablets, cameras, and external storage. Transfer speeds reach up to 10 gigabit per second, suitable for moving project files quickly. There is also a higher tier variant equipped with Thunderbolt 5, pushing transfer speeds up to 120 gigabit per second for heavy data flows. It also adds an extra USB-C port, a 2.5G RJ45 Ethernet port, and a slot each for SD and microSD cards. Each port sits in clean layout, keeping cables tucked away yet easy to reach. The monitor can be set up and turned off using the remote control. The remote control can also be magnetically stored on the back of the monitor when not in use. It is a setup that understands real-world workflows, flexible, tidy, and smooth day after day. Okay, beneath that structure lies a quiet but powerful advantage: support for M.2 SSD, 2230 and 2242 expansion. Just slide in a drive and the Mac Mini instantly gains additional storage. No toolkits, no external boxes. It runs reliably and keeps the warranty untouched. For those working with larger footage or design files, this single slot replaces stacks of external drives. It's fast, silent, and neatly contained. A small detail on paper, but one that changes day-to-day use. Not flashy, just smart, bringing efficiency and neatness together. Yeah, when everything comes together, StudioDock Pro feels less like an accessory and more like a natural extension of the Mac Mini. The magnetic lock is solid, the display performs beyond expectations, and the layout stays practical without trying too hard. It balances form and function with attention to detail. Truly, this dock turns the Mac Mini into a true desktop centerpiece, removing clutter while elevating the overall experience. Yeah, it's not perfect, but every feature serves a clear purpose. Well, I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead and check the VexlTech StudioDock Pro. But before you go, one request. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.